In the late 1990s, Gilbarco bought an Italian company called Logitron, which is located in Florence. Thanks to this acquisition, Gilbarco's Florence site became the worldwide center for EMV systems for retail petrol pumps. Europe was the first continent to adopt EMV payment systems. Being located in Florence, did that give you a first mover advantage?
Yes, certainly, because we were just in the heart of the continent that started the adoption of EMV. So we had the opportunity to really live from the very first day this technology. We had in Florence a basic know-how on which Gilbarco, I think, had the right vision to properly cultivate and invest to develop a global payment platform that today are really leading the payment solution in the world.
Gilbarco's Florentine site covers all Gilbarco product range in Italy and all Gilbarco's electronic products for Europe. Is Florence well situated to cover those markets?
Well, yes, because first of all, you know that Gilbarco has a very wide product range, and the approach to our petroleum retail customer is really to help them solving their problems, improving their operating profit through the adoption of Gilbarco solutions. So in Italy, we offer the Italian customer the full Gilbarco approach, 360 degrees, starting from being their preferred consultant when they are simply conceiving a project, going through the development and rollout, installation, and supporting our customers also after the installation on site. That's for Italy. For the rest of Europe, we are focused on the so-called retail solution that is the electronic portfolio of the Gilbarco proposal.
The Florentine produces for customers worldwide. Does Tuscany offer the kind of infrastructure you need to ship goods all over the world?
Yes, it is, because if we think, let's say, from the road network standpoint, we are well located. We are very close to the highway A1 in Italy that is really connecting Italy from south to north, and so can be really a privileged way of shipping goods via truck. We have the Livorno harbor that is working very well, so we use sea freight a lot. It's very convenient, especially when there is no urgency in shipment, and service from Livorno harbor is very good in terms of receiving the goods in the plant and shipping the goods out of the plant. And the third, also air freight, managing properly the flight in and out of Florence and Pisa, we are still able to compete and to be one of the global leaders in our industry.
Gilbarco's Florentine site specializes in complex payment systems and works with international teams. Can you find the people with the right engineering and linguistic skills here in Florence?
Yes, we can. And in fact, almost all our engineers are coming out of the Tuscany universities, mostly from the University of Florence. And we have to say that definitely they can get the basic know-how on which usually we need to invest from 6 to 12 months once a person is just graduated to give the proper know-how on our product, on our industry. After that, the person become full autonomous, and all our persons are working in international teams with colleagues coming out of India, US, other countries in Europe, and the fact that Gilbarco remained the global leader means that we remain competitive also in having the right team competing in let's say with the right persons.